visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find this video, the message is meant to find you. Let's check kung anong nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Emperor, followed by the Fool card and the Two of Swords. So nakikita natin dito meron talagang age gap right off the bat, no? This can be a May-December love affair. Pwedeng konti lang din naman yung gap, no? Pwede rin naman dito, if we're not talking about the numbers, we may be talking about the maturity of the person. Pwede rin ito sa LGBTQIA+ na relationship. So, because of, siguro yung isa, ang tinatanong dito, ang reason siguro ng aming separation, it's because of the gap, no? Again, this might be the maturity gap or etong age gap nga. Kasi someone here is very serious in life, very structured, no? Someone always, yung isang person naman, keeps on changing. Kumbaga nandito pa lang siya sa reinventing, no? Sa nire-reinvent pa lang niya yung sarili niya. Siguro, the person keeps on changing jobs as well. It's either the person also might be probably nakikitaan ng pala party pa, no? Parang yung isa naman, come on, no? You're already an adult. Dapat meron ka ng structure sa buhay. Meron ka ng mga sabihin nating pangarap. Meron ka na dapat ginagawa. But it felt like yung isa ngayon pa lang nag-enjoy. So the Two of Swords, nagkaroon na talaga ng separation, whether this is physical or energetic. Now, the Wheel of Fortune and the Four of Pentacles. So parang meron ditong hindi na pagbigyan, no? Whether this is ng time, energy, love, effort, or pwedeng ng pera, the Wheel of Fortune. So siguro someone here is probably may nangangailangan, no? Hindi naman napagbigyan ng isa. So, but the other person felt like, no, meron ka eh. I know meron ka. You're just hiding it from me. You're parang, you're nagdadamot ka. So that's the dynamic na parang yung isa nag-assume pinagdadamutan. Yung isa naman siguro, I want you to stand on your own. No, I want you to stand on your 2 feet because you're already an adult. No, you don't have to rely on someone else's. Pwede yung aalalayan kita, but not to a point na bubuhayin kita. No, yung parang ganon. So, someone here is teaching this youngster a lesson, no? With the Five of Wands and the Knight of Swords. So, nakakita tayo ng pagdadabog. Nakakita tayo dito na pwede natin sabihin bigla na lang umalis, lumayo with the Five of Wands. Someone probably also created a chaos. kinausap yung ibang barkada, no? Siniraan. So, itong hindi nagpahiram, nasiraan pa with the Six of Cups and the Four of Cups. Ngayon, parang sabi nito, um, nung taong nung ayaw magpahiram or yung nagbibigay ng lesson, um, yes, you are important to me. Yes, I love you. But then again, if this is going to be our dynamic, I think I'm going to start to set you free, no? So meron ditong, I'm going to miss you, but this is not the dynamic for me. This is not the kind of relationship that I signed up for. And I don't want to live in this relationship for a long time. Very mature. The Knight of Swords, biglaan, no? Yung pagkakaroon ng separation. So parang iniisip naman ng isa, dahil siguro sa pera talaga, no? Kaya lang siguro ito nandito just because of the comfort. Now, with the Knight of Cups, the Eight of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. So, kung sino man ito nagsabing, I think I'm going to end this, no? I think that that we're through. Ngayon naman, unti-unti nagpaparamdam itong nanghihiram, no? Itong nagsabing ayoko na, yung yung nagkalat, no? Yung nanira. Pero parang feeling ko, this is the end of it for these two. Kasi kahit merong ditong emotion, parang I am beginning, no? To end this on my own. Meron ditong healing, the Ten of Swords, tamang-tama dalawa, the World card, and the Eight of Cups. Yeah. Parang sinabi dito na you are going to be a very special person in my heart, in my life. But things changed, no? Even my perspective in you changed. Even the way I see you, even the way how I feel for you, it's not the same anymore. Sobrang nabawasan, yun ang mahirap. Kapag pera, no? Yung naging dahilan bakit nagkaroon ng separation. So, malaking factor dito yung monetary. This is your reading. Now, bago natin tignan yung zodiac sign, kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung kayo po ay may mga tanong, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. So, if you want to book a personal reading, nandun din po sa website. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Or this can also be your zodiac sign and a placement in your chart. I'm seeing Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, Taurus, Gemini, Pisces, Aries. I am seeing Virgo, Cancer. I'm seeing Aquarius and Sagittarius. Libra. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You